Lots of little boosters they'll have up. I mean, they'll have this in Japan as well. They have cool stuff like this. I'm really one test of so the thing I'd say they got really right this time. Lots of playing out. So it's good to see they've got some of the older boxes that you would not find currently in your games, your HMVs. So it's definitely worth coming here. And of course, one of my favourite products recently. This is a wonderful set. I will buy some more, but I bought so much recently. I'm holding on.
This?
Yeah, he's a bit. My one's a bit confused by that. So this is the Ultra Premium collection. I have a lot of 151, but it's good to see that they do have some sort of 151 stock still left. Just I got so many of the cards already. I don't think it's worth buying these. They do have some of the Pokémon Center exclusive boxes here. Another thing, really nice to see. We got some more Pokémon Center exclusive boxes. I think there's some slight differences. I think doesn't it come with a different card? I think it does, and I think the box is different. So you get it. Got to turn this into an ASMR channel. I don't know which one it comes with. Oh, it comes with this. Is that a different?
I think you get an extra as well or something. I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah, you get something a bit because it's a little bit more. 1, 2, 3.
11 in there. Yeah.
And you get an extra pack of cards. So that is nice. So we're going to look at the exclusive merch?
Yeah.
Earlier on, we were picking something up. We were picking up, I was picking up, which set was I picking up? They had a free pack and it's not here anymore. So it showed you how quickly stuff is selling out. I mean, you see Silver Tempest was here yesterday. We're only down to the last 2, and we do have some of the deck boxes still. Brilliant stars, that's it. They had brilliant stars. Now, do you want anything to try, Michael?
I think there's enough for me to decide later on.
Oh, you've left already. Get in the ring.
Nice to see. You should try to see that one set. Every so often you'll seem to come across it still in the wild. So the one set I just didn't quite click with. It's a better set than Battlestar. I feel Battlestar.
I did not like Battlestar.
I hate Battlestar. That's why I saw them earlier. They had the 3 packs.
Battlestar Galactica.
Yeah, I was like, no, not Battlestar. They have a nice look at the exclusive merch. People are going a bit wild. Look, it's like someone's opened that. It's like
got to see what's inside.
Yeah.
Got to see them all. The stick. It's not the most ideal, but
we've got a load of the stickers to show you. Like we've only been in. We got in here about 9:45, and they're already sold out of stuff. That was here this morning when we got in. I mean, I'm not saying potentially there's another box around back that are maybe gonna put out tomorrow, but these purple t-shirts, these seem to be the ones that are really, I mean, it really popped well with Gengars, because they're different sort of purple, but I picked up, I'm wearing the jumper. I picked up the jumper yesterday, but I couldn't pick up this, so I'm happy to have the jumper. Oh my god, this is the crop really. As you can see now, they either got extra small or extra large.
you should get the crop hoodie with some short shorts.
Not letting you into the gym because of life decisions.
There we are.
They got me.
What's it? Tilt that straight up a bit more. I'm gonna aim down.
They seem to be sending out really fast. They didn't have them yesterday. They got the bag back in stock, as you can see. Now,
One take, look. There we are.
So these are one per customer. This looks like the new Netflix enemy series, Pokémon series. Why did I pick a Bulbasaur?
May I video you for
Yes,
the Pokémon channel as
of
well?
course.
Nice, big, cheesy smile, love it, happy day. Amazing, thank you very much.
Guys, it's the new Pokémon from the new game. Still the exclusive here on Anime UK. Puma, they have a Puma Pokémon range, that's really nice. Oh, I like this one. Got Pikachu and Puma. Skateboards. I'm not a skateboard person, so I will not be doing that.
I cannot skate.
Of course, they got the really expensive Pokeballs. Right, that's how much I spent this time. Here we go. We're actually going in. We have to go and the latest past. Here we go. We're inside. Yeah, shall I take you over to these stores? Because you couldn't go last time. This is a lot smaller than it was last time, unfortunately. This area was really nice last year. They do still have some little bits. So here we are. Welcome to the European Championships. I think a lot of people are getting ready to start competing. Guys, I found something super cool here at the Euros. They have these little games over here, and I think we're going to try each and every one out. They look really fun. They're little carnival games. I don't think you even really win anything, but it's going to be a good time, a good laugh. So let's check them out.
Yes, Tim, you can do it.
So we're going to do this. First time! Let's see someone actually do it. Oh! Ah!
Do it, yes.
You cheated!
Yeah, still won more than both of us. Still one more than both of us.
This one seems to be a fishing booth. Let's hope I do a little bit better than I did over there. My record that I got to meet is 0.
Be very careful, don't go to the same category. Are you good or only you?
I can do it as well.
Try not to lean on the tee. Here we are. Whoops. And let Michael get his down the way to let.
He gets
Yeah.
the back. Maybe it's easier. And you
There we are.
Thank you very much.
Oh.
Ah, almost. Oh, nice.
Got it.
There we are.
So now we're going to play the carnival favourite. We're going to play ring toss. Now we did really well in that game. I think we can do really well in this game.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, I got one. Yes, 2.
Thank you so much.
Here we are, Brotherhood. Last time we got something really good. I'm just going to see if they got anything similar. We've got some Holy stuff. There's a Rays, Rebel Flash, Sun and Moon. Nah, I've not seen you for a while. That boy ain't right, I tell you what. So they have a photo booth. I don't know what it's going to be. It's a green screen. So it's going to be interesting to see what the photo actually looks like.
Tap the thing. Do you want a chair and shot?
We have to retake that. Just hope there's enough. Okay, the Pokémon are back out. Let's see if I can get the little dance done. So we're getting near. They won't take us to do a video with them, but take that photo.
Yeah, I did that.
So gang, we got good news and bad news. The good news is Francis has made it to round 2 of the Pokemon Go tournament. Bad news, apparently he's up against one of the best players in the world. So this is going to be fun. Here comes Francis. He's got the result. Did you lose, Francis? Francis? What? Loser! You're a loser! So the guy that Francis lost to is like in the final now. And we're cheering him along because we're really good sports. Come on! Come on, it's so close! Gotta do it! Yeah! The guy that beat Francis just made it to day 2. And Francis is happy because he's a good sport. Yay! Guys, I'm on the Jumbotron. Ah! Look, they're zooming in on me. That guy, seriously, I'm on the Jumbotron right now.